This is what 10.3 million pesos can buy you here in Alaminos, Laguna. Welcome to our Laveen Single Touch here in Centrina. Napakaganda ng location. We're just along National Highway. So ano pang inanti natin? Tara, let's start our tour. For this property, you have a minimum lot area of 145 square meter and a gross floor area of 181 square meter. But for this specific lot, this is a corner. So ito yung pinakang highly sought after natin, and the lot area is 174. Right in the front, you have this space for your landscape. Napakaganda, you can put your lush garden over here. And then on the side, by the way guys, kahit ito po ay single attached, this is not your typical single attached. Kasi yung firewall natin nasa likod. Diba kasi sanay tayo na yung firewall ay nasa side. So in this specific property, nasa likod po. So you have space on either side of the house. Right here, hanggang dito sa poste yung property mo. And then, on this side is your 2-vehicle carport. For the typical lot, yung regular natin, hanggang dito sa cemented part. Pero kung corner lot just like this one, you still have space on this side. You can fit up to 4 cars. And then right over here, this is your property line, by the way. Yan, so kapitbahay na yung nasa kabila natin. And then medyo malaki na yung mga halaman dito sa likod. But this is your service and laundry area. As you can see, ito yung firewall natin, separating the property with your neighbor. And then, you have your sliding glass door leading to the house. Check natin yung harap. For this property, napakaganda kasi the developer focused on giving you open spaces, parks and playgrounds. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung sidewalk natin pero meron ka pa ring pocket garden in the front. So usually, naglalagay sila ng puno which makes the subdivision more cold, maganda yung weather, and very fresh yung air. So let's go. Welcome to your future home. By the way, this is a dressed up model. Ibig sabihin, upon turnover po, hindi kasama yung ating furniture and the appliances. Right here is your living area, and here is your dining area. Ito yung sliding door na pinakita ko sa inyo earlier, leading to your laundry and service area. And then of course, your daily kitchen. Yung kitchen natin, meron siyang room beside it. So this is a very multi-purpose room. You can use it as staff quarters for your home angels, o kaya naman you can use it as storage, pwede rin pantry. And then, just beside your living area is the first room, or rather, bedroom here on the ground floor, depending on how you will use it. Pwede mo itong gawing home office, pwedeng gym, pwedeng study area. It's up to you. This is very multifunctional. You have this large windows over here, and then a window on the side. Now, right over here is your common toilet and bath in the ground floor. Ang gusto ko sa toilet and bath nila, they use this textured tiles for the wall. It adds character to your house. Pero hindi po kasama itong mga nakadikit natin. So kayo na yung magpapago if ever you want to in the future. And then, I'm very excited na dalhin po kayo sa second floor. This house have 3 bedrooms on the second floor, 2 rooms, and 1 master's bedroom. And the master's bedroom, of course, is the largest one. So tara! Yung hagdan natin, hindi kayo mahihirapan umakyat, even elderly, kasi ang ganda ng mga distance niya, napakalawak. Over here is your second common toilet and bath, with a window that will act as your ventilation. And katabi nito yung mga bedrooms natin. You have your own hallway on the second floor. And this is the bedroom number 1. Kung meron kayong mga kids, they will appreciate this space. You still have this double deck bunk bed. Okay. And meron ka pa ritong study area for your kids. And then, at the end of this hall, say hi to our very pretty photographer, is another bedroom. So this is your bedroom number 2. Very kikay yung ating layout in this bedroom. And I like everything except for the bed frame. Kasi I think it can improve. It can be better. But this vanity mirror is giving. If you know what I mean. Now, let's go to the main dish. The main dish of this house, of course, is this very spacious master's bedroom. So kapag na-turn over po ito sa inyo, you have this very large windows where you can enjoy the view of the neighborhood. Mind you guys, this is a king-size bed. And you still have plenty of space for your entertainment appliances. And then, meron ka pa ditong vanity mirror. Now, in this area, you have your own walk-in closet. It's not as big as the typical walk-in closet na nakikita natin, pero considerable space na siya. You can put cabinets just like this one. And then, you have your own ensuite toilet and bath. Your ensuite toilet and bath is larger than the toilet and baths in the ground floor and on the hallway here in second floor. You can even add your bathtub over here. Pero nasa sa inyo how you will utilize the space kasi malawak siya. And then, by the way guys, this property has a loft area. So meron tong attic. That's why you have this part wherein meron kang angat with the common natin na ceiling. So it gives you more light inside your house. Diba? And then, meron ka ring balcony. Diba? Ang sarap tumambay sa balcony. After a long day, work, pagod ka, makita mo ito yung pinaghirapan mo, diba? Napakasaya. You can enjoy your morning coffee, o kaya naman yung a little drink in the night. And for the last part of our tour is our attic. So hindi ito guys yung typical na attic ha, na kapag tinungtungan mo, maingay kasi steel or wooden lang yung finish. This is concrete. So basically, para ka ring merong additional floor that makes your house 3 floors in total. So dito, ginawa ni Centrina para siyang entertainment area. You can accommodate your guest here. Pero kung meron kayong mga special occasion o kaya naman meron kayong special work wherein you need space, studio, yan, nag-shoot kayo, you can use this space in the attic. Now, if you're interested in owning a property here, we are available in Facebook and Viber. You can contact us. Meron pa po tayong mga regular lot and corner lot just like this property. Again, this is your Ahenda Next Door, and I'll see you here in Centrina.